Hello everybody, we are back again with another Amazfit smartwatch, Amazfit GTR 2 Classic Edition. So let's get to unboxing. So here it is. Wow, looks beautiful. As you can see, it isn't very different than the other conventional circular smartwatches. So in the box, at the center, there's the watch, and as you can see, there's a sticker on top of it. So on the side, you can see it's we can open it, and there's this charging cable. It's in black color, and we'll get back to it again. On the other side, there's another opening, and all right, this is the manual. Well, it has a very nice leather feel. It has leather straps, as you can see. It's in black color. It has a very nice feel to it. It's a bit hard. Let's take the sticker off, and as you can see, the dial is surrounded by an outer ceramic bezel, and there are two clickable crown buttons. Let's press the upper button, keep it pressed, and the Amazfit logo pops up. The watch is turning on now. Select the language of your choice, and the barcode would pop up. Now, see, there are different sort of languages. We'll just go to English, and from here the barcode is here, so we'll just we need a phone for that. This is the barcode to download the app. To download the app, we need a smartphone, and we'd go to on iPhones, you can go to the App Store, otherwise Play Store, then search ZEP, Z-E-P. It would look something like this. This is the ZEP app. I have already installed, so I'll just update it. You can download it from this link. So inside the app, you can see there are different options. We would go to watch, and then we would search. Keep the watch close to the smartphone and make sure the Bluetooth of the phone is on, as the Amazfit connects through Bluetooth. So it is searching. The camera of the smartphone opens. Now make sure that the watch is placed in the right direction, and you just read the barcode through the camera of the phone, and it will connect to the smartwatch. See, once it's paired, it will show a green tick, and you can see on the smartphone too. Well, now we have the smartwatch on. It is active now. should allow the smartphone to show you notifications, otherwise the watch won't be showing the notifications of the phone. This is how the app's interface looks like. It's very user friendly, and as soon as you pair the watch, it will show a new update. If it is available, then you can just update it, press that and press on the red button, and the update would start. In the meantime, we can look at the watch. So it has a round, beautiful dial, as you can see. You can slide to the right, to the left. This is the trademark display of Amazfit. There's a button on the top. This is the main button, and on the bottom. So both have different functionalities. The top button is mostly used to turn on the watch, to power it off, and also the apps. You can see music, weather. If the music is playing, it will show up here. Whether you have to then there's slide from the top, you'll see the shortcuts. Press the top button. It shows a list view of blood oxygen, workout activity, stress, music, weather. Everything is here. At the bottom you would have settings. There you can turn on the airplane mode. The Bluetooth would go off, and see the Bluetooth is connected. This is the always on option. Like, you can select different options from here. Light up on notifications, you can turn it on, toggle it off. There's vibration mode, how you would like the brightness. And there are different watch faces. You can slide through them. There would be a certain amount of watch faces available on the watch, but you would have a lot of them on the app. Keep it pressed, keep the screen pressed, the main page, and you would see different watch faces. You can select between them. Top left, you will see your watch logo. Press on it and go to notification and reminders to turn on notifications on the smartwatch. too. So what I'm gonna do is I will accept the call.
Hi.
Hello, can you hear me?
I can't hear you. Hello?
Can you? Yes, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you, but your voice is kind of breaking. I can hear the first sentence, but I can't hear the rest of the sentence.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Alright, so how is the sound?
Good, it's pretty good.
Alright, so let me just lower my voice a little.
It feels like you're speaking from a speaker, you know?
Alright, so let me just lower my voice a little bit. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Loud and clear, but it's like a speaker, so there's the surrounding sound there as well.
Yes, a bit. I mean, your voice, it feels like a little bit echo.
There's an echo. It's not that clear like when you're talking from the phone, but it's better. It's understandable, right?
Yes, it's understandable, like you can talk over the watch. Yes.
All right, and your sound is good too. To be honest, your sound is pretty good. All right. Thank you so much.
Alright, you're welcome.